Welcome to the course for PowerShell scripting and automation for SQL Server Database Administration class. And the last video session, what we have learned, we have just created one script, and in this script, we have added the try and catch block. And after that, what we are seeing, whenever we are going to execute this script, so what this script will do, this script is going to tell me how many SQL Server instance name, all like I have the two hosts here, I have given that same host only, so two times the result will come. So how many SQL services instance is running, and that what is the name of the instance name, how I want the host name slash instance name, and for the default it has to be give me the only host name. Whenever I am going to execute this script, so it is generating one result file. Now you can see, yes, result file, and inside that it is giving the all SQL server instance name with the host name. If the default instance is going to give me the host name, like that only this script has been created. But now if I'm going to execute this script multiple of time, what it was happening, what we have seen like in the same script only, in the same file only, result file only, it is appending the data. So how to overcome this? What we have done, we have just added the timestamp, right? We have added the timestamp. So timestamp means what? If I will execute this script, it is going to generate with the result file with the timing. So which is the latest one, that should be yours. So if I'm going to run again, so what happened? Again, my new file is going to be created, right? It is going to create the other file. If I'm going to run one more time, so it is not going to write into that file. It is going to generate the new file. So I hope you understood till this point, right? But my requirement is I have to write that all result into this file only. This is the result file, and it should not has to append the value. So what we can do, and we don't want to create the timestamp. So how to do this? So two way I have already told you. One way you can use the timestamp. All people is using timestamp only. It's a very easy and very nice way. But for understanding purpose, for if you want to write the script or something, so this is very important for you to understood how we can clear the any file if something has been written. So just we'll go and we'll see. This is the small programming I'm just teaching you here for understanding the concept. And once your concept will be clear, you will able to write the 1,000 lines of code also very easy way. So just go and watch my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, please. Okay, so what I'm going to do, this is my script. This is the script which one it's don't having, it is generating the my result file. So I will not going to touch this. So first I will test my, this is the only script, right? So just I will execute it. My result file has been generated. It's having the few entry. If I will again, I'm going to execute. So again in the same file, it is going to write the value. So what it has to be do before running this script, what it has to do, it has to clear this file. So clearing the file, this is very simple line. It is, you can add here this line, clear content. So if you want to know what is the clear content, so I will add here, right? So what it is going to do before it is starting the script, what it will do, it will go and it will clear the my file, and then it will be right. So what I am going to see, if I will go here, you will see that there is a lot of entries there. But if I will execute this, what it will do, first it will be going to clear this, and then it will be right. So it's having the same entry. So if I will run the multiple of time, there is no problem. It will be just clear, and then it will write. You cannot see anything is appending here. This is the one thing, right? But the problem it is here, already this result file is here, right? That's why it is trying to clear it. What will be happen if I will delete this file? I deleted it. If I will execute, I will get the error. Why I'm getting the error? Because I told my PowerShell go and clear this file, result.txt file, but that text file is not available into that location. That's why it is failing. After that, when it is gone under inside this, then it is generated the file. That is something different. We are not going to discuss it, that one. So if the file is not here, my script is going to be failed. So very first time, if you are going to give you this script to anyone, what will be happen? There will be no result file, right? Or otherwise you have to tell them, please create the result file. So if you are telling them to create the result file, that is also not good. So how to do that? So here we are going to add if and else loop. So first you understood what is the clear content. Clear content is used for clearing the any file. So here what we are going to implement, before clearing the log file, I will add one line like go and check whether the result file is available or not. If it is available, go and clear it. And if it is not clear, go and create the file. Then write into it, right? Then our problem is solved. That is the logic, which one we have to implement. Simple things. And you have to learn simple things only if you want to develop any script, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add here this line. What is this line? Instead of first, what it will do? It is going to first test my path. What is test path? Test path is just checking this file is available or not. How many ways are there for test the file, whether you can test the folder, file, or leave. There is a multiple of things is there. So that one I have already explained in my Udemy courses link. I have already given. Go and visit that course. There is a lot of extra thing I have explained related to SQL Server with the script. There is 200 script I have given, so you can go, you can just visit this link. It is given in the description, and then you can start. That will be very easy and format way. Okay, so come to here. So here what I have done, I am just testing my path. If this path means in this path this file is available, what it will do, here I have given the this mark. This is means not equal to. If you want to know the operator, I am going to create one more session. There I am going to explain you what are the operator is available into this PowerShell, or otherwise you can go to the my Udemy session. There you will able to find out. So the meaning of this means if it is not equal to, if this is not equal to, what it has to do, right? If the file is, so it means it is not equal to. The meaning of this means if your test is failed, test is failed means this result file is not available in this path. What it will do, it will go inside this, and what it will do, it is going to generate the file first, and it will generate the file, then it will try to clear it. If file is available, it will not go to the if loop directly, it will go to the clear loop. So just we will see what I'm going to do this time. If I'll delete this, right, and if I'm going to execute this, right, what is going to happen, it will create the file, then it will go to clear the file. Anyhow it is clear only, then also it will try to clear, and then it will go and it will try to write into that file. If the file is already present, it will not go to the if loop directly, it will go and clear that content whatever it is there. So if you want, I will add few more thing here whatever, and I'm saving this file. And if I'm going to execute this, what it will do, this time it will not go to the if loop directly, it will go to the clear loop, and then it will be perform your operation whatever you have written in your script. So you will not get any result. So this is the way where you can clear your log file. I hope you understood this. Next video session, I am going to explain you how to make your script as a constant. Constant means what is the constant means, if you are going to give this script to anyone, right? So these are the file is not, this folder is not available into that system, or otherwise if you are going to give you that any person go and run this script, so directly if it is going to execute, it is, this script will fail, because maybe for that person this file is not available, right, this folder is not available, or he has to create the folder, or he has to just change here. So if he that person whom you are giving to run this script, he has to change the multiple of things here or file folder level of thing he has to change, and there is a multiple of things is there to change, right, 1 2 3 4, and your script has to be changed by only by the developer who has developed the script, not for those whom you are going to give you the script. So what we can do this, so what we are going to do in this script, script we will make as a constant script. So your PowerShell will automatically, it will knows where I have to go and where I have to fetch this file, right? So your script should not has to be changed by any person, any user, right? Just he has to execute the script. And if you want to do some changes, the changes has to be happen by the configuration file. In the next video session, we will generate the configuration file, and we will make this all script as a constant script. Means script should not has to change. Same as your SQL server, you have the store procedure, right? You are just passing some value from the store procedure and it is going to give you the result. You are not going to change or you are not going to modify the any script or any store procedure. Just parameter file or configuration file only you have to edit. Remaining script will be always constant. So later session you will see how we have we can do this and you can understood. So guys, please subscribe my channel and watch my next video session. Thanks for watching my video.